How's it going, guys? I'm currently in a trade right now. It's been a while. This morning I wasn't able to get on right away, but I entered in here. This is trading with the 550K accounts over here for the challenge for this month. And I want to get on, show you the exact entry that I'm looking at here, why I entered in, and kind of give you some technical analysis behind it. You guys can take a look. This is the live P&L that's going to be through this account here, just on the top hand side. So we end up coming back down here. Overall, what I like to look at here is, we're trading above this 200 EMA. So that's really good. Something else too is we're kind of coming down, money momentum heading back up. I like these movements. These are profit targets that are kind of preset on here. Let's go and take these off here real quick, just to make this a little bit easier and visually speaking. So if you guys want profit targets, you can actually put those on there, and you can see actually how many times it's hit 5, 10, or 15 points, or however much you're going for. This is a really nice trade over here, about $2,500 up right now. Let's just keep this going. Profit target on this, and I would love to see us target these areas. This is going to be basically the high of the day over here. If we end up coming back down, that's going to be completely fine. But this would be really nice to hit it. If we can look at these metrics a little bit more, and you can almost all draw these trend lines, higher low, higher low, higher low. Then you're getting this momentum here. Sometimes, like not always, but you can see this push and sometimes keep going and going where, your resistance levels on some of these, if we go directly left and we look, we have room to breathe quite a bit to the upside here. And, it wasn't until really around this area that we saw the massive, massive decrease. So that's something that I could be looking out for, for taking profit. If we end up coming back down and it ends up going against us, we'll look at just getting out of that trade. But right now, signals this morning that are popping off are just been really good. Overall, these trending signals, that's what we want to be shooting for on these trades. But I want to get on here real quick and show you guys this current live. Let's just keep this on here real quick and see exactly what happens with this trade. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Justin. I'm a founder of Simple Market Metrics. For the month of May, we actually have a challenge going on right now. Everyone who goes through Take Profit and types in, just the promo code here, if you do My Future Success, it's actually going to give you guys direct access to getting qualified for this. It'll register your guys' accounts, and this will tell you that whenever you pass it, you just want to shoot over a screenshot, just like these other people have done. So, for example, like Corey. And this will actually add you onto a Zoom call that I do every first and third Friday of the month, completely free. It's my way of kind of giving back to you guys and just wanting to give as much education as possible. I had a call this last Friday. That was just so fun to be able to motivate people and be like, what are you doing? What am I doing? What are you finding that success? And also had, remember last week, they made almost $3,000 just in the past 2 weeks before that I was able to give away a 150K test account worth $360. So that was really awesome to be able to give that away. To that gentleman who ended up passing there. Guys, this is really good. We are currently up about $3,000 right now. I am not upset with this at all. Let's just keep this running a little bit, and let's see if we can hit our target that we want to go for. And if we get anywhere near here, what I'll end up doing is, let's do this, guys. Let's just draw a box around this. If we end up hitting anywhere in this range, I'm going to go ahead and actually say, close it out, and call it a day. And you know what? We might actually be there. There's 4,000. Gosh, these suckers are running. There we go, $5,000. Nope, coming down a little bit now. Here, let me go ahead and do it like this. Let's go make this box green, and let's keep an eye on this and say, we actually need price action to come back up a little bit, and this will be our target zone here. So I think we can get this to push to about $5,000, and this would be really nice. Currently around 47. Again, don't want to get too greedy on these trades, but this would be a really nice way to start off this week. Strong bullish candle. I do like that. Looks like it has a little bit more room to move. Big strong candle with a wick out the top, no wick out the bottom, staying within that 50%. And this target looks like it's still going to be going. There we go, guys. There's the push. We're not going to get greedy at all. We're going to close it out right now. $5,200, just like that. That is exactly how we want to be playing these trades. Buy signal illuminated. We're getting in on consolidation. We're having it flow back up. Profit wave switches over. Absolutely just an amazing trade. Really, really good. Let me show you guys this here real quick. So for today, let's go and go $1,300. So $5,150 for all of these accounts. So that is it right there in front of you guys. That is a trade for today. This is the only trade I've taken today on these accounts for the 550K challenge. And just really good. So congratulations on anyone who else is taking these signals today. Really good. Gosh, tell me if you guys end up getting this. Like, whoever took this here, oh my goodness, 260 point movement. Absolutely ridiculous. But guys, that is it for me today. You just saw it there live, closing out that trade. Ended up hitting our profit target perfect within our zone here. Using these metrics, just absolutely brilliant. So, guys, take a moment. I'm telling you, you can grab all these metrics, lifetime access, never pay any fees ever per month. And if you want to join live every Tuesday and Thursday when Ron, one of my affiliates, goes over every buy and sell signal that's illuminated with these, you can do so right now, still with this extended special. And a lot of people are seeing a lot of results. There's people making 100, 200. I had someone literally say made $8,000 the other day. I'm like, my gosh, incredible. But take a look at some of these 5-star reviews over here. So this is a live education platform that I do provide. And of course, if you're just someone who wants to just get on your own and just grab these metrics and then become part of the elite take profit team, this is where I'm giving away about $1,800 worth of free accounts this month. You just want to go over to Take Profit and type in My Future Success in all caps to register your account. And you can totally get on these calls completely free every first and third Friday of the month, motivate each other, and see what happens. There you go. Look at this shoot up. Oh my gosh, I could have taken out so much more with this, but that's okay. We hit the profit target that we wanted on here, and I'm super happy. I'm calling it a day. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week. All right, guys, take care.